What is fire behavior? Fire behavior refers to the manner in which a fire reacts to the influences of fuel, weather, and topography. It encompasses various characteristics and dynamics of the fire, including its spread rate, intensity, flame length, and the pattern of its advance through the landscape. Understanding fire behavior is crucial for predicting how a fire will progress, which informs firefighting strategies, evacuation plans, and measures to minimize damage and loss of life. Here are the key aspects of fire behavior. Rate of spread. This is the speed at which a fire moves across the landscape. It can be influenced by wind, slope, fuel type, and fuel moisture, among other factors. Fire intensity refers to the energy output of a fire, often described in terms of the heat released. It is affected by the amount and type of fuel, weather conditions, and fire size. High-intensity fires are more challenging to control and can cause greater ecological and property damage. Flame length. This describes the visible portion of the fire and can be an indicator of fire intensity. Longer flames generally indicate a more intense fire, which can be more difficult to suppress and may pose greater risks to firefighters and structures. Fire type. The behavior of a fire also depends on whether it is a surface, crown, or ground fire, each of which interacts differently with the environment and requires different strategies to manage. Ignition probability. This refers to the likelihood of a fire starting based on the presence and condition of fuels and the prevailing weather conditions. Fire direction and shape. The direction a fire moves and its shape can be influenced by wind direction, topography, and barriers to fire spread, such as roads, rivers, or previously burnt areas. Understanding fire behavior is a complex science that involves physics, chemistry, meteorology, and ecology. Firefighters, land managers, and scientists study fire behavior to improve wildfire management and mitigation efforts, aiming to reduce the impacts of wildfires on communities, ecosystems, and economies.